Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba Sniawbhalang Dhar henne kasngi habakren bat kinong tho khubor ha office trikam jong uloong baka sarkar kadang yakren Halor ka Harijan koloni. Uloong bakum ka sarkar kabu hakmat tam bat kithrang ban pentrei kam khamba ha karukom kababyang wat lada kan kham shimpor khindiat ru uloong bakin pet bakan omdan Shuh kanu ka Jingeh bat khnang bakan bha baro shirta namar ki pat ba ka jela ki Kwah ban Pynbeit ya kini ki Jingeh bat ba ka dei ba on ommi Shuh kinu ki Jingeh Hadien
mong ba daw kat ba dei ki issue ba sa total isnam the Shuh begin let's don babha baro shirta kadang kami ni man perkat batik na man lading ila kulmarkan step in ka kule dan sutum pan ban na kata daw kung government ni watch back and solve properly in such a manner so that once we solve it, we will solve once for all. Kata dia kata, mereka bingung baik dah. Ngesong tu kita iba, jom mesti beli barok Kwah kan dapet. Kwah ini nama ba, yo ni Ros Kulmar, pitip ke dekor sebenarnya na. Ini Kwah ba, ni sah kata kalau tiknang, dah kena kurkum le mereka, wadah kam support kendero sih maklak biang kan biang baru serta. Tadi Kwah musor karta, mereka bawa bangi tinggi tu, you know. Mayo beri umla member umau sopi. Hamau bangi protek gitar deh. Ane kan tibi bagajing anu jong ke kita iba jong mesti dia kan isu apa sok ni kata ni laku top priority.
That proposal na.
Now discussion is still on. Let us wait because this is being the central government. I can tell you finally. So we are under the process of discussion only, in the process of finalization, whether we will acquire that or whether we provide some other or whether the code is very near us. Let us see.
Habayadei bat kajing Pynbeit put uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulayathu banakaliang ka Jingeh Hills Regional Committee kabakilaya kendu ha ka khat khandai tarik uno opera 8,000 husaw bat labtha yaki officer banle yaki kamram ban pet bania yaki kot kisla bat anda kila dep kinsawan ra biang ha ka committee bat kinsara hakmat ki arngut ki Menteri Rangba ka jilla ka Meghalaya bat Assam.
Yagani the Habaro Regional Committee nila exercise is still on the kumulutan. Nakaliang jong Jangkil region le nakaliang kakanda tu disembar wana su committee kani tinila institute officer tinila di humok di benda kalau ada pun sama ba macam committee nang tan ada committee sa bu sa place state level nang taga between the two chief misadul committee sa government committee kani kani le ngibude e barang isu ngibude maklamong bagi casting but you for Christmas and now they are in the process of doing some homework that which you want to state government. And maybe in a one or two modules submit the report, again we will place in the state level. Very level and we are contacting the other counterpart.